You're watching Code 3 Rewind. Real footage, no filters. Was this justified? Drop your take in the comments. And help me hit 1,000 subs. Subscribe now and say I'm in below.
I'm gonna grab this left, okay?
After being taken into custody, the officers rendered medical aid to Hernandez by placing him in a recovery position until paramedics arrived. Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Hernandez to a local hospital to be treated for the gunshot wounds he sustained as a result of the officer-involved shooting. While there, medical staff determined that his wounds would require further treatment and admitted him into the hospital.